In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror a video in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create a flip perspective, correct the orientation of your footage, or add a creative touch to your project, mirroring a video can be a simple yet effective tool to achieve your goal. CapCut Desktop is a feature-packed video editing software, and mastering this process will give your projects a polished, professional look. If you don't already have CapCut installed or an account set up, you can find the link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive right in and learn how to mirror your video step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Desktop. This is an essential starting point to ensure you're ready to edit the specific video you want to mirror. Once your project is open, locate your video clip in the media library. From here, drag and drop the clip directly into the timeline. The timeline acts as your workspace where all editing actions are applied, so getting your video in place is a key step before any adjustments can be made. Next, click directly on the video track within the timeline to select your clip. This step is crucial because any changes you make will only apply to the clip that is highlighted. If you're working with multiple clips in your project, be sure to double check that the correct one is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a colored outline or highlight around the clip. With your video selected, locate the editing panel at the top right corner of the CapCut interface. This is where all of the adjustment tools and options are housed. Once you've found the panel, click on the Video tab. Now, if you don't see the Video tab right away, don't worry. Just scan across the top of the panel until you locate it. It might take a moment, but it'll be there. After opening the Video tab, navigate to the Basic sub-tab. This section includes all the essential tools you'll need, including the mirroring feature. Now scroll down within the basic options until you find the section labeled Rotate and Mirror. This is the area that allows you to adjust the orientation of your video and apply the mirror effect. Once you've reached the Rotate and Mirror section, click on the Mirror button. This action will instantly flip your video horizontally, reversing the visual direction. You'll notice the change immediately in the preview window, where you can see how the mirrored effect looks directly on your timeline. Now that you've applied the mirror effect, take a moment to review your video. Play it back and ensure that the mirrored look fits your project's vision. This step is important to check for any unintended issues, like text or logos that might appear reversed after mirroring. If something doesn't look right, you can always use the undo option to revert the change or experiment further with other adjustments such as rotation to complement the mirror effect. And there you have it. You've just learned how to mirror a video in CapCut Desktop. By following these steps, you can easily flip your footage to suit your creative needs. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using this feature in your own projects, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.